We're at one of those inflection points where we either act or we're going to be in real trouble. Our kids are going to be in real trouble.
President Biden speaking about the need to act on climate change after touring parts of New York and New Jersey hit hard by Ida.
The president says the sheer scope of the destruction is further proof the U.S. needs to strengthen its infrastructure. Our D.C. Bureau Chief Ben Kennedy is live at the White House with more for us. Ben.
Nicole Calvin, President Biden said he was surprised by what he saw surrounded by piles of debris as he just gave remarks from Queens, New York.
More lives were taken here than down in Louisiana. Let me say that again. Wow. They had over 20 inches of rain. They had 178 mile-an-hour winds, gusts, and more lives were taken here than down in Louisiana.
President Biden touched down at JFK Airport to assess the damage from Hurricane Ida.
Water height that went up in some cases almost to the windows of these homes, literally over your head.
Several people are still missing, at least 50 confirmed dead in the Northeast as Biden surveyed the aftermath in New York and New Jersey caused by the remnants of the storm.
The losses that we witnessed today are profound. Dozens of lost lives, homes destroyed.
He joined FEMA and met with state and local leaders to determine what they need in the wake of the hurricane.
And we've been able to now provide aid to some of the families who have been impacted.
Biden signed disaster declarations for both states and promised federal support as he touted the need to act to combat climate change.
We're at one of those inflection points where we either act or we're going to be in real trouble. Our kids are going to be in real trouble.
President Biden said 1 in 3 Americans have been impacted by severe weather. One more reason, he says, for lawmakers to pass new bills to combat climate change and even on infrastructure. Live at the White House, Ben Kennedy, Local 10 News.